Welcome to the YouTube channel Math Classes for 10th class children. If you are a new viewer of my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Press bell icon to get more updates about my video and like it and share it my videos to your friends and your classmates. If you want watch my previous videos, I will provide the links in the description box. So this is the 10th class, class number 10, 10th class maths, class number 10. Let's go to the top. Yesterday in previous class the video was stopped incompletely one problem, so now I am start from that problem. I will tell you that I will solve that problem. So what is the problem? Eighth problem. What is the eighth problem? Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So log 8 we can write 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 by 27. It is also we can express 3 cube base 2 by 3. So now log, how like it is, whole power we can write 2 by 3 whole power 3 base 2 by 3. So now how like it is, log x to the power of m base a, that is equal to m log x. So we applied here this formula. So what is the answer? Yes, 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So here one more formula also applicable. We apply that formula. What is the formula? Yes, you are correct. Log a base a is equal to 1. I applied this formula. So then we get the answer. So 3 into this value is 1 according to this formula. So 3 ones are 3. This is the answer for 8. Next, ninth problem. 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. I am going to solve this problem. Two to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So how like it is, 2 to the power a to the power of m plus n. So it is the exponential law. We know that. What is the exponential law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n. So this is the one of the exponential formula law. So I will apply this formula. So how can I write from this formula? 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. So now one more property of logarithms also applicable. What is that? A to the power of log n base a is equal to n. Already I discussed about this formula in my previous class. If you have any doubt, you can watch that video. So base and here base, two bases are same means you have to write n. So 2 square means 4 into, so what we have here 3, it is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. You understand? I applied this formula here. Here 2 we have, here also 2. So 3 is the answer here. So 3 4s are 12. Why? Because how to get this 4? 2 square. 2 square means 4. Now I am going to start second bit. What is the second bit? Write the following expressions as log n and find their value. So as given extended form, you have to write the standard form and find the value of that log. Okay. So what is the first problem? Log 2 plus log 5. So first problem, log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5. So how like it is log x a plus log y base a. So which is log x log y base a. So I am going to use this property. So here x is 2, y is 10. So that is equal to log 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So it is log 10. So here it does not give the base of the log. If he not give the base, we has consider the base as 10. Once again I will tell you, if you not have any base, if he does not give the base, we consider the base as a 10. So I am going to write here 10. So we know that formula, it is value is equal to 1. Why? Because since log a base a is equal to 1. So this is the value of the log. First problem. Next, third problem. 3 log 4 base 64. Solution given 3 log 4 base 64. So how like it is m log 4 log x base a, that is equal to log x to the power of m base a. So how can you write this one? Yes, you are correct. Log 4 cube 64. 4 cube means what? 4 into 4 into 4. This means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are, yes, you are correct, 64. Log 64 base 64. So which value is 1? Why? Because log a base a is equal to 1. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So first of all you take this 2, it is a log x and is so just wait. So here m log x, we have to change into formula. We are going to use that formula. M log x base a is equal to log x power m base a. I am going to apply this formula. Log 10 plus log 10 plus log 3 square minus log 2. So which is log 10 plus log 9 minus log 2. Log 10 plus log 9. 3 square means 9. So minus to minus log 2. So next step is so here we are going to apply one log x plus log y is equal to log xy formula. Log xy formula. So it is what we have, log 10 plus log 9. So which is log 10 into 9 minus log 2. So log 10 into 9, it is a, yes, 90. Log 90 minus log 2. So it is, how like it is, log x minus log y, that is equal to log x by y. Log x by y. Log x by y. So now log 90 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 45. That is equal to log 45. What is our answer? Log 45. So now I am going to start teach you third bit. Evaluate each of the following in the term of x and y if it is given x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. So what is the first problem? Log 15 base 2. So x is equal, given solution, first one log 15 base 2. So then x is equal to log 3 base 2, y is equal